Hi guys, so I'm going to be redoing my kitchen and kind of vlogging as I go of the process, just a little bit of it because it's a long process. So hope you enjoy it. Look guys, what came. I'm so excited to start painting my kitchen. So it's gonna be white soon. Okay, so do you guys think that I should do the bottom gray and the white top? Let me know. Also, ignore that I'm eating a hot dog and drinking a Mike's for lunch. So the first thing you want to do is remove the doors and all the hardware that are on the doors using either a screwdriver or a drill. I switched over to a drill later and it really helped. I also labeled each and every door that I took off so I could put them back in the right place. So now I'm just dumping all the cleaner that I bought into the bottles that I bought, so it makes it easier to clean my cabinets, so I can just spray them on instead of putting it in a bowl. I did order myself a sander because I have a bunch of projects that I plan on doing, so I wanted that to be an investment. But I also got individual sanding paper for all those little corners and grooves in my cabinets. So now I'm just using the paper sanders for a light sanding, and guys, this is where I really screwed up. You should really use the actual electric sander if you can, or a better sander for your hands, and really get into your cabinets, especially if they're older like mine are. That's really where I messed up. And the next step, I actually bought liquid sander to help me along with that as well, for just the spots where my actual sander cannot get to. And when you use the liquid sander, make sure you wear gloves because it is a very strong chemical. Where I have to eat breakfast is on my table. These are about to get sanded. Oh my gosh. Good morning everyone. So today I'm hopefully finishing my kitchen. So by the time this is posted, I will have a finished kitchen, which I'm so excited about. I just have to do a little bit more painting back here. White. Oh my god. Look at my dog in the kitchen window. Crazy. So then I want to show you my fall haul, which is so amazing. Oh, thank you. Telling me my toast is done. So then I went to Target, Dollar Tree, and I went to Ross, and I got the biggest fall haul I've ever gotten, and I'm so excited because my fall stuff needed to be redone because it just wasn't my style. So hang in there, we'll show you. Hey guys, so my kitchen is done. All the cabinets are painted finally, after it took me one full week to do it with kids running around. It was just so crazy. I had some friends help, thank God. And then I bought all brand new fall decorations to more match my kitchen, since this is the only room that's white now. This house is so cute. I got it from Target. Everything at Target when I went on Friday, I think they put their fall stuff out on Monday. By Friday, it was like completely sold out. So I got this house for $5. I got a 2-pack of these glass cups that I just put potpourri in. It was a double pack for $5, and then all these pumpkins were from the dollar store. Even these lights are from the dollar store. They keep falling off, so I might have to tape them. And then I made this little fall tray. So I got these little plates that are super cute from the Target. It was $3. These were from Target for like $1. I love this one, and I love this gold leaf. It was really cute. These candles from the dollar store. I got a huge pack of like pine cones that were really pretty that I just kind of popped everywhere. This came from Ross, so I want to say it was like $5.99 or something. Pretty good for a little plaid pumpkin. I got this cute little sign at Target for $5. And then I changed all my flowers. I can't keep real flowers because I can't keep anything alive. So they used to be pink and now they're like a beige. I got some little pumpkins right here and some new candles. So exciting. Got this little gray pumpkin. I got this little lantern. This lantern is so cute. I think I got it from Ross, I want to say. It was on clearance for $6.99. Like, such a good deal. And I got this garland up here from Amazon. I'm going to link it down below. But it's so pretty, guys. Like, it literally just brightens up a room. I think I might just keep it all year long, honestly. I'm not sure yet. I got this really cute candle. And it smells so good. I got it from Ross. I just love these big oversized candles. They're so cute. And I think this was like $5. Like, that's pretty good. Yeah, and then I got this butter tray. I redid my butter tray to match my white kitchen now. I got this at Target. I think it was like $7.99, which I thought was a good deal. Like, I just made biscuits. By the way, if you want biscuits really good, the Magnolia table from Joanna Gaines. I live and die by this book, this recipe book. Like, I think I've like made half of the recipes in it, and I am obsessed with it. Like, literally, it's very like refreshing and healthy and family oriented. Super good. And then, so oh yeah, we got new hardware. I love our new hardware. I can actually put a towel in here now, which is cool. I hate black countertops. That's why I want to switch them out. I know like some people like the black on white look. I don't know if I'm going to keep black. I might just speckle it or something, but it gets so dirty. Like, these like pine cones are coming off, and it's just like, it's crazy dirty. We'll gather together sign. The lighting is terrible in here today. It's very like overcast outside. And then this little thing, give thanks. Kind of just blend it all together. This I got from Ross for like 20 bucks a long time ago. I just popped it up in here. I do have like some new, like a big eat sign, which is why these little tacks are in the wall. Because it says like EAT, but I spray painted them outside black. And I got these little pumpkins up here. Like, ignore the cooler. That's my boyfriend's. He's a diabetic, so he brings his medicine in his cooler every day. And then I got this, like, I think I still want to paint this white, but I don't know if it's going to be too white. This little mailbox where I keep all our mail. But my boyfriend does actually not even check at all. And then I got this wreath. I love this wreath. My boyfriend's mom made it, and it's just so pretty. Isn't that so pretty? I don't even know. Hi. I changed, I got these really cool couch covers from Amazon, and my couches are actually brown, and these are velvet covers that go on your couch to make them beige, and I am obsessed. So we have this gray blanket down because our dog likes to go on the furniture, and then this dog's just hovering over the baby, watching him. Huh, Bella? Taking care of her baby. My kitchen. I love, love, love it. So excited to just be in it now. It just feels so much more comfortable. I think I'm not going to do any projects this week. I am tired. If I was going to recommend anything to you guys, is maybe like get some friends to help you, because I did this pretty much by myself with I did screw up on the top cabinets a little bit, so I had to ask for some help from some friends. Because I didn't sand them enough, and I didn't use Kills primer. So if you guys are going to do your kitchen cabinets, if it says paint and primer in one, don't believe them. Buy your own primer and buy the Kills primer, because if your cabinets are oil-based or oil-based like mine were, you're not going to be able to paint over them without them yellowing or cracking. So make sure you prime them with Kills primer, because that worked for me, and that's why the bottom looks so much better than the top, because I started with the top. Yeah, super excited. Also, I want to talk about the process of going through my kitchens and the do's and the don'ts of when you redo your kitchen. My kitchen cabinets were probably about 30 years old. They were oil based, but I didn't know that because I don't paint often. So if your kitchen is an older kitchen, it might be oil based, or if you just want to be just cautious, I would recommend to buy Kills paint primer. I got like level 3, like whatever that means. I'm not a good painter. Like, I don't know anything about it. So buy some good quality brushes, a good quality roller. It does matter if you want your kitchen to look good. I just at least buy one or two, actually, one for the primer, one for the paint. As that the glossing option was optional, I don't see how it'd be optional, because I just feel like if you didn't gloss it at the end and do that top coat, it would just be filthy all the time, especially when you're doing white. So I do recommend doing the top coat. I will link all the supplies down below of what I used during the process. And then do not skip sanding. I recommend sanding it as much as you can, and I know the sander is heavy if you have a sander, but just keep going. I mean, even a light layer of sanding would do. It's just not always for just chips and nicks. Oh, bless you, sweetheart. Oh, bless you. Oh, I love baby sneezes. But yeah, so make sure you prime it, sand it, and I also did liquid sander just to be sure, because I love my kitchen. If it was ruined, I would cry. I almost did during the process. And I bought more hardware than what I needed, because when I bought hardware, some of it was not the right size inside the box. Like, it was kind of mixed. And I don't know. I just want extras, because I think I might do my bathroom next to match my kitchen, so it kind of just flows throughout the whole house. And then buy some just like disposable rags that you just don't care about, or old rags, or even old towels, just to do it, and it'll make your life so much easier. Be ready for making mistakes. It's okay. It happens, especially when you're a first-time DIYer like I am. This is my first house, so, and doing it with a whole bunch of kids around was not easy at all, and actually that plastic layer that you put on the floor and the countertops to like catch the paint drop actually made it worse, because then I would like get into the paint and I would just be covered in paint, because if it's not cloth, it doesn't soak into the cloth. So if you do get something to lay down, I would recommend a cloth drop instead of a plastic one, because plastic is just going to smear and it takes a while to dry. But that's just me if I had to redo things. I think it was like probably $200, $300 to redo my kitchen, because I did have to get more paint after screwing up the first time, which is my bad. If I did more research, I probably would have knew. If I just called my stepdad and was like, tell them what I was doing before I did it, he would have just told me to buy Kiehl's paint primer, and that would have saved a lot of lives. I'm just kidding. But it would have saved a lot of time, and it would have saved the quality of my life. But I do love my kitchen now, and I'm so happy I did it. It was a lot of work, and I wouldn't trade it for the world though, so I do recommend it. If you have any questions about how you want to redo your kitchen, I almost feel like a pro at this point of redoing a kitchen, so drop your comments down below and I will answer them. House was destroyed this week. I was just like, whatever. My baby was watching me. I feel like he's going to be a professional carpenter one day. Isn't that right, little Carson? You're going to be a professional carpenter. Yeah. Oh, he's going to be so great. So yeah, hope you enjoyed my video.